Hello friends. So in this video we'll solve Maharashtra SET exam December 2020 question number third one, and say very nice question. So let ZW be two complex numbers such that Z into W belongs to real number and Z plus W belongs to real number. Then options are given, right? So whenever we have this kind of question, multiplication or addition of complex number, two complex number, and it is coming to the real number, so the best way is you can take counter example and you can eliminate, or you can say what is the answer. Suppose if I take Z is equal to, suppose 2 plus 3i, and W is equal to, suppose I am taking 2 minus 3i, just conjugate of this. So now if I multiply, so what is this, Z into W, so 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. So you can solve this, it is very simple. A plus b, a minus b, so this is a square minus b square, so this is going to be about 4, and this is 9i square, right now. So I hope you know this. So this is 4 into I square is minus 1, so you can see this is 13, right? So which is nothing but real number. Okay, so when I take this, so we are getting this particular part on the same line. Now if I find Z plus W, so this is 2 plus 3i plus 2 minus 3i. Now you can see this get cancelled. Actually I want to cancel this imaginary part, that's why we are taking just conjugate. So therefore this is 4 and this belongs to real number. Now you can decide which option is correct. Okay, even if I take Z is equal to 2, this is also a complex number because every real number is a complex number. And then if I take W is equal to any number, you can take, so you can see Z into W, so this is 2 into 3, so this is 6, so belongs to real number. And Z plus W, so this is 2 plus 3, this is 5, belongs to real number. So you can say if I take real number both Z and W, then also this condition is satisfied. Or if I take conjugate, actually this is nothing but Z is equal to W bar, so conjugate of each other, you can say. So therefore either in case of Z is equal to W bar, or in case of we have a real number, so the answers are correct. So now you can see so option A is not correct, you can see, because we are taking conjugate. And then option B is true, you can identify. Option C is also true, you can identify here. But option D you have to read carefully. Option D is nothing but both B and C, actually, if you observe. So therefore Z is equal to W bar, or Z and W belongs to real number. So therefore for this question option C is correct. Okay, so either it is conjugate or both are real number, then will satisfy this particular condition. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share to all friends. And if you are coming new to the channel, thank you very much friends.